If you ever needed to create presentations, social media posts, business cards, or even videos, you've probably heard of Canva, one of the most popular design tools in the world. But what makes it so powerful, and how does AI take it to the next level? Let's dive in. So, Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone, whether you are a beginner or a pro, to create stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. It offers massive library of templates, right, and fonts, images, and elements, right? You can go ahead and click right here, templates, and you're gonna be able to see thousands above thousands of templates, right? And elements, making design simple and accessible. Canva is widely used by students, marketers, businesses, and content creators to design everything from logos and posters to presentations and videos. It works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile and supports team collaboration in real time. So Canva has introduced several AI tools that make design even easier and faster. Here are some of the key AI powered features. They have that, of course, magic design, right? Magic design, you can upload an image or idea and Canva instantly generates a design by simply typing right here, right? So you can use that also. And secondly, the magic right, you can just type right here the magic Canva, AI Canva, magic right, okay, or magic right, an AI powered text generator that helps with copywriting, captions, and content ideas. By simply click try magic right, and you're gonna be able to use that, right? And they have also the background remover. You could just type right here AI Canva background remover, right? Removes background from images with a single click, right? Saving time for designers and marketers. Okay. Next, the AI image generator or text to image. You can just type right here text to image, right? They convert text prompts into unique AI generated images for your design, right? You can just simply type right here and generate the AI image, right? And immediately Canva will generate their design for you, right? So they have also the magic edit, right? So you could just type right here magic edit in the magic edit, right? Which lets you modify parts of an image, right? Using AI, perfect for quick photo edit. And they have also the brand kit, right? You can just have right here brand kit and AI layout suggestions. Helps businesses maintain consistent brand look across across all designs. So Canva is more than a just design tool. It's an AI powered creative assistant that makes a content creation effortless. Whether you need a quick design solution or professional quality visuals, Canva's AI features help save time and boost creativity. So, ready to try it out? Visit canva.com and let your take your designs to the next level. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.